stars make a brighter day, so let's start giving.